I'm Kate, and this is Kiko. Hello, Kiko. Kiko, do you know what we're going to be doing today? That's right. We are going to be looking at sounds today. Kiko, do you have the sound for us today? You do? Can you go and get it for us, Kiko? Okay, off you go. I wonder what sound Kiko is going to bring for us today. Have you got it, Kiko? He's got it. What sound can you see? Do you know, Kiko? That's okay, Kiko, I'm going to tell you. Today, our sound is ooh. Listen to me say it first. Go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now it's your turn, and just keep going. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well done. Yes, Kiko? That's right. Kiko has some words with the ooh sound in them. Let's take a look. Ooh, ooh, moon. Ooh, ooh, food. Ooh, ooh, pool. Ooh, ooh, zoo. You found some lovely words today, Kiko. Well done. Today, our sound was ooh. If you'd like to learn about more sounds, just click on another one of our videos. Yes, Kiko? That's right. Or you can watch this video again to remind yourself of the sounds you just learned. Kiko? Where are you going, Kiko? Where are you going? You're going to go and eat some food because you're hungry. Okay, Kiko, off you go. Goodbye. See you next time.